Hi friends, in this video I will tell you about 7 proven sites that give everyone the opportunity to earn daily. Each site is absolutely legal, suitable for beginners, you don't need any investment, it doesn't matter how old are you, what country you live in. My name is Ryan Hunter, we are started. Site number 1, clickbank.com. Clickbank is an online platform that provides the opportunity to create and sell digital products, such as ebooks, online courses, training programs, and other types of digital content. To make money with Clickbank, you need to create your own digital product or sell other authors' product, earning commissions on sales. You need to register, confirm your email, find the right offer for you, get an affiliate link and attract traffic. There are dozens of ways to attract traffic, both paid method, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and free methods of getting traffic. Example, TikTok, YouTube Shorts. About how to get traffic I tell you on my channel. Watch video on this. Site number 2, FOAP.com. FOAP is a complete platform for buying, selling photos, called a photo bank or microstock. Large company owners and they are willing to buy photos from cell phones as long as they are of high quality and with a good idea. For your photos pay on average $3, but if your popularity grows, they will pay $5. The minimum withdrawal is $10 to your PayPal wallet. One and the same photos can be sold hundreds of times, which means you need one good photo which will help to accumulate for the withdrawal of funds. Site number 3, Scribia. Scribia is a website for data entry focused on transcriptions. It offers payouts of $5 to $20 per hour of audio, depending on your skill level. Transcription tasks allow you to listen to audio and then type what you hear into a given text box. Scribia works with an AI assistant, so you get automatically transcribed text to edit. All you have to do to earn with Scribia is register and then take the Scribia certificate transcriber test. You will need basic skills such as understanding of the language, a good typing speed of at least 40-50 words per minute, accurate grammar and spelling, and the ability to research. Site number 4, Gumboard.com. On this site you can sell anything you own: photos, illustrations, courses, Lightroom presets, books, and even apps. Gumroad lets you sell any legal digital content. It saves the content maker from having to interact with the buyer and send everything manually. Both payment and transfer of the purchase happens automatically. Gumroad allows you to upload a file, add a description, assign a price and accept payments. This site has a huge user base that is ready to buy your product. Site number 5, GoTranscript.com. The company based in the UK offers transcriptions and translation services worldwide. On GoTranscript, you can register as a remote worker. The income may not be the biggest, but the company's transparency is there. Right from the start, you are told that you can earn up $1 per minute of audio or video. The average user earns up to $150 a month, while the best monthly workers make $2. It's a great way to make extra money. Site number 6, User testing. Websites and app developers want to know how their apps, games or websites will behave before and after they are presented to the public. One way to do this is to get casual online users to try out this project and report on their experience. This service gives you the opportunity to earn up to $50–60 daily by helping to test different games sites. To become a tester, you need to fill out an application online. Site number 7, Rover.com. This site is perfect for those who love animals. It is one on this site that you can provide dog walking and dog sitting services. Pay an average of $10–15 every hour. The site has a rating system, so it is important to do your job well. The more you rating, the more you get paid for each hour. If you have any questions, write in the comments, I will try to help you. Subscribe to my channel, like this video if the video was useful to you. Thank you, good luck!